Welcome to the MOASBO online learning module, Getting to Know the DESE website. My name is Aaron Hooper, and I serve as the Director of Finance for the Grand Valley R5 School District. We are excited to bring you this online module and to help you find important information on the DESE website. Let's begin with an outline of the goals for today. We will learn how to navigate the DESE website and find essential memos and resources for the new finance and operations professional. Learn what is included in the DESE application, including the ASBR, EPEGs, and school finance resources. And we will learn how to locate the DESE accounting manual and understand the components and the applications. The DESE website contains a great deal of information. We will not be covering every portion of the website, but the web pages that are heavily focused on financial reporting. We will be covering how to access the administration memos, the finance memos, helpful calculators, special education resources, and the Finance Administration webpage. Let's begin with finding the administrative memos on the DESE website. First, go to dese.mo.gov. Then select Administrators and scroll down to Admin Memos. Normally, these are monthly, but can be more often. Past memos are stored here as well. You can access the memos by clicking on the hyperlink. We want to show you how to access the monthly finance memo. This is released monthly on the date of the payment from DESE, normally the 20th or shortly thereafter. To access the memos from the DESE webpage, you access Administrators, then click on Finance, and then scroll down until you see the finance memos. These are also stored so you will be able to access previous memos as well. The memos provide an up-to-date overview of not only the current year, but also what to expect from the upcoming year. This includes information on the basic formula, Proposition C, and transportation. The memo also includes important reminders on reporting deadlines and any changes for reporting purposes. While on the Finance webpage, you can also see the links to sign up for the listservs. There is a listserv available for the ASBR notifications and for the finance notifications. You click on the appropriate link and follow the questions. Once you sign up, you will receive notifications to your inbox with information from DESE. Below the link for the listserv access, you will see the link for calculation tools. Please take some time to explore your options. I do want to highlight a few of the tools available for the funding formula with Senate Bill 727 changes. The first is the tool for estimating your ADA. The formula for FY25 has updated the thresholds for free and reduced lunch, English learner, and our students with individual education plans. You may find that it is to your district's benefit to estimate weighted ADA this year. In the past, this was normally only done when the student populations were increasing. For FY25, we have a special circumstance depending on your level of free and reduced lunch eligible students. You may benefit from estimating your weighted average daily attendance. You can simply open the tool and save the file. Once you input your county and district code, the prior year information populates for you. You will need to estimate your current year ADA, English learner students, students with individual learning plans, and your free and reduced student population. At the bottom of the form, you will then see if it is to your benefit to estimate your weighted ADA. If it is beneficial, we recommend that you contact your DESE Finance contact for their review, and they will guide you how to input the information into the core data system. The other calculators available include a grant tracking tool, basic formula, charter school projection tool, summer school estimated revenue tool, and state assessed railroad and utility calculation tool. In addition, you will see forms such as estimation of required local taxes and the Proposition C rollback calculation. There are also a few calculators that will help you to calculate your calendar days, hours, and weather makeup. The next section provides guidance and limitations for fund transfers. This refers to fund transfers from the general fund to the capital project funds. Following fund transfers is the state aid payment data. This is a historical summary of the SAT that has been paid and the thresholds used for the state aid calculator. Finally, you can click on the contact bar and you will find the up-to-date listing of the current contacts at DESE and their contact information. Before you leave this screen, you will see numerous items listed under the heading of Finance and Admin Services. You will find information to everything related to DESE Finance. I want to suggest that you start at the Finance Topics and Procedures. This will bring you an entire library and links to subjects including Accounting Manual, Attendance Hour Reporting, Audit Requirements, Budgeting, Calendar and Inclement Weather Makeup, Certificated Salary Compliance, Coding Procedures, Consolidation, Current Expenditures by Pupil Explanation, Local Effort, Pre-K Eligibility for State Aid, Quarterly Financial Reporting Requirements, Statutory Requirements, Tax Rate, and Transfers. The next web page that I want to direct your attention to is the DESE Applications website and components. To access your district's information, you will need to use your DESE login. There are view-only abilities if you use the public access option. You will be able to access your district's ASBR, EPEGs, and school finance payments and reports. To get to this page, begin with the DESE main page and scroll down to the DESE application sign-in. Use your DESE login. Once you are logged in, you can choose your annual report of the county clerk, your ASBR, EPEGs, Missouri Comprehensive Data System, and school finance pages. Your school finance page will list the details of your monthly payments from DESE. To access additional information, you will need to click on the hyperlinks in the reports. Additional financial management training is available to the Finance website by clicking on the Finance Management Training tab. The tools were posted in 2019. Our next topic is the Missouri Accounting Manual. The link to the manual is found on the School Finance webpage on the right. This manual is essentially your guide to everything you need to know about Missouri school funding. The manual is updated annually, so make sure you obtain your new copy each year. It might be a good idea to keep a PDF copy saved on your desktop for easy reference. The Accounting Manual is your complete guide to school district accounting. It includes account coding and descriptions. This includes expenditure and revenue account code, structure, and meaning, and how using the correct code is essential for ASBR and financial reporting. The manual also covers the following topics: state requirements for budgeting and account coding, federal requirements and project coding, accounting concepts and definitions explained such as basis of accounting, cash versus accrual accounting, double entry accounting system and rules, investments, cash advances, encumbrances, reserve for encumbrances, end-of-period adjustments or accruals, payrolls, prepaids, receivables, accounts payables, and standard costs. Our goals for today were to learn how to navigate the DESE website and find essential memos and resources for the new finance and operations professional. Learn what is included in the DESE application, including the ASBR, EPEGs, and school finance resources. Finally, to locate the DESE Accounting Manual and understand the components and the applications. Before we close today, I do want to remind you of all the resources that MOASBO has to offer. We have a help center that has highly qualified veteran administrators and bookkeepers that would be able to assist with some of your emerging needs. In addition, MOASBO offers a mentoring program, several conferences throughout the year, webinars on topics of concern for our members, and workshops throughout the year. MOASBO offers certification and development programs such as the School Business Specialist Certification, the certification for the School Finance and Operations Administrator, the School Operations Academy, and the Leadership Learning Institute. Please refer to our website for more information on our upcoming events. We want you to stay tuned for other on-demand modules. Our other modules include our introductory module of getting to know your resources. In addition, we have best practices for accounts payable and payroll, basics of fund accounting, and working with your auditor. We have additional on-demand modules in development. If you have any ideas for additional modules, please contact Patty Bedborough, the Associate Executive Director of MOASBO. Thank you so much for your time today. We hope this module provided knowledge of maneuvering the DESE website. Until next time, best regards from MOASBO, and remember, MOASBO is the place to go.